Hi guys, welcome to another video. So today we'll be diving into the world of autoline tab and optional products while we're creating the quotation in sales module. So talking about the autoline tab, we know when starting from the first while we're creating a particular quotation, there are so many configure options which also include a quotation template. When we clicking into there, you can see an autoline tab is appear under there and you can see each and every kind of detailed view of this particular product, and you can see a list of product and what are the product unit cost, and also the total amount and taxable value. So you can see each and every kind of detailed knowledge or detail about this particular product, and it's also helpful for the customers and Odoo users effectively. So next I'm going to tell a secret tip for all business person, that's actually optional product. When I'm talking about the optional products, it's actually a secondary product selling along with the primary one. So basically I can give an example. Actually, when I am a person who are selling a phone, that I can also sell a phone case along with the primary one. So it's actually enhance your business growth from a particular point to high. So it's actually a good strategy for all business person. So let's move on to the video how it actually works. So guys, here you can see the beautiful form of quotation. It's pre-created, like the customer information is filled, invoice address, delivery address, expiration date, price list, payment terms. All the configure informations or options are filled except the quotation template. You can see the quotation template is actually empty. Okay, moving on to there, before I want to say one thing that in the previous video, we were discussed about how we can easily create a quotation using a quotation format. Okay, so in this video, we are going to discuss about uh, enhancing the sales using autoline tab and optional product while we creating a quotation. Okay, so here you can see that two options like autoline tab and optional product. So moving back to the quotation template, like while I'm clicking here, you can see a drop down menu like this, and it's actually filled with some options like office furniture, rent rooms, monthly cleaning, yearly cleaning. So I'm going to select office furniture from this drop down menu. So while I'm selecting that template from the quotation template, you can see that the autoline tab is filled with so many product. So here you can see that. So actually the autoline tab is refers to the specific item or product that the customer is being offered, essentially like it's the detailed list of what being sold to the customers. So these are the product that being sold to the customers. Okay. So here you can see each and every detail about the particular product, like what is the product name, its large meeting table for a conference room, and how much the quantity. Here you can see the unit, and here you can see the unit price, and how much is taxable value. And if you are going to add any discount for this customer, you can add here, and you can see the total amount. If you want to remove this product directly from the autoline tab, you can use this icon for that. So here is the detailed information about the product. And while we moving on to this session, you can see here are some additional information or options like add a product, add a section, add a note, catalog. Okay. If you're clicking into the add a product, you can select a desired item from the product drop-down field and proceed to adjust the quantity of the selected product if necessary. So you can see some of the product in the drop-down menu like apple pie, bacon burger, bagel, black embroidered t-shirt. So if you want any product from this drop-down menu, you can directly enter here, or you can start by typing here. Okay, so you know about the product, you can directly enter using the add a product, or if you want the particular list of that product, or if you want the catalog of that product, so you can directly go to the catalog session. Okay, so while you're clicking into the catalog, You can reveal a separate page showcasing every item, like every potential product variant in an organized catalog display. So here you can see that a displayed catalog like whiteboard pen, screw, bolt, customizable desk, etc. So here you can see the Kanban view of every product. So I'm going to take the customizable desk from here. So I'm going to click on this add button. While I'm clicking on this button, you can see another wizard is just appear like this. It's the quantity. So I'm going to add to quantity. Okay. If you want to remove this particular product from your auto line tab, you can easily remove using this icon. Okay. And next one, I'm going to add this tool also. Here you can see each and every kind of detail about the particular product. Like if this tool is like that, you can see the color of this tool like dark blue and unit price also. So I'm going to add this tool like 5 quantity. Okay. So uh, while you selected every kind of product from the catalog, you can just go back to the previous page like this. So while you enter here in the auto line tab section, you can see our product while when we entered from the catalog section is added here like the customizable desk, white color is added like 2 units and what is the unit price here and how much is the total cost, and stool in the dark blue color 5 units 500 per unit and what is the total amount, and here also the total amount is changed. Okay, so moving on to the next session like add a session. Okay, so while we clicking into the array section, if multiple items should be presented in more organized way on the quotation, click array section. You can directly add a sections using this option. Okay, so I'm going to add a section which is called like chairs and stools. Okay, so while I'm adding this, I can easily drag this section from here to where I want. Like I'm going to set above of the office chair. Okay, here. And now I'm going to drag this particular product like stool from here to under the office chair. Okay. So here it is. It's a simple process. You can add a section using this option. And next one is add a note. Okay. So while you're clicking into add a note beneath a certain product line to add a custom note about the specific product. And these notes are appear in italic view like you can see here. I'm going to add any particular note under any product. I just need to enter that. So I'm going to enter like buy 5 get 1. Okay. So here it is. So if the customer is gonna buy customizable desk in the unit like 5, we can give additionally one product. Okay. So here it is. So you can easily add any notes under the product using this option. Okay. So here all about the AutoLine tab and I'm going to say about the optional product. So while I'm clicking into the optional product here you can see another these are like the information of a product, a description, quantity, unit price, discount, an add cart button, and also removable button here. So optional product is actually a good strategy for all business persons. Like it is actually a form of cross selling. We can sell a secondary product which means a optional product with the primary one. So the primary one is actually when we are seen in the autoline tab, that's the primary one, and in the optional product is actually the relatable product of the primary one. Okay. So I just say I just discussed about product like if I'm a person who's selling a product which is called phone, I can easily add an optional product in my quotation, like I can add a phone case along with my primary one. Okay, so it's very useful for the customer, and also it's a good strategy for the business person. Like if the customer need that font case, so he can easily buy using this quotation. Okay, so it's actually going to enhance the sale point to low from high. Okay, sorry, low to high. Okay, so you can easily add optional product using this particular dashboard. And here you can see some of optional product like drawer black and large cabinet, office chair black. Okay, so you can add more optional product using this option. Okay, so this is all about the Autoline tab and optional product. So these two features is actually enhancing or like very important, or it's actually very helpful while we creating a quotation. Okay, so I hope these two features is actually very helpful to you. See you with another video. Bye.